Right, පුතා. අයිබෝන් හැමෝටම. එහෙනම් අදත් අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න යන්නේ. So today we are going to learn the factorizing, right? So last day we discussed the factorizing of trinomial quadratic expressions, right? We are moving forward with the negative sign questions. So last day I asked you to complete, I think 15-20 questions. So a lot of students sent me. I think that is okay with you, right? So today we are discussing different level questions. This is the most difficult part of this lesson of factorizing. So understand very clearly. Otherwise, I have seen in grade 11 students, right? The grade 11 students also failing to answer this type of question, right? So concentrate the method and try to catch up it. If any questions, any doubt, you are free to ask, right? Okay, so we will start the first question onwards, right? So last time we discussed, I will remember, I will refresh your knowledge regarding the previous type question. Imagine x squared plus 7x plus 12, how to factorize. So in factorizing, we have to check first thing the common factors, then whether it is a trinomial quadratic or the difference of squares. So we discussed that difference of squares today. Right. Now here trinomial quadratic expressions. So means having three terms, x square terms, x term, and the constant term. So in that case, what we do, we multiply this plus 12 with x squared and we take a side plus 12 x squared. We multiply these two plus 12 into x squared plus 12 x squared. Okay. Then we check with the product how to build up plus 12 and with the addition it to build up plus 7x. So the product become 12 and addition becomes 7. What are the pair of terms? 4x into 3x. I check. I put 4x, 3x and both shall be positive because the sum to be positive as well as product to be positive. So 4x plus 3x, 7x gives you and 4x into 3x, 12x squared gives you. Understood? Right. So now I replace the 7x by the sum of these two terms like x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. So 7x being replaced by these two terms. Now 2 by 2 I take the common factors. So I take x here, then x plus 4 and I take out of these two, 3 plus 3, take out and then you can say x plus 4. 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 4, 12. Now x plus 4 is the common. X plus 4 commonly taken out. Then what is remaining here? X and here plus 3. X plus 4, x plus 3. Right. So that is what we discussed last time. So today we are discussing. Here we are dealing the different sign. Now concentrate. Here all these signs are positive. In that manner, no issue. Right. So now we will write the factorizing further. Right. Write down the topic factorizing further. Factorizing further. Factorizing further. Right, okay. Now, this is the second category. Understand very well, right? We have x squared minus 6x plus 8. So, in this category, now carefully see, here positive sign is there, but here middle term negative. The previously both terms positive, right? Now understand very well, right? Now plus 8 multiply with x squared, and I take plus 8x squared. Okay. Now I check how to build up plus 8 with multiplication. But before that, I check here the sign negative 6x to be created. So negative 6x to be created with the sum of these pair you apply here. Right. මෙතෙන්ට දාන ක්‍රියාවකේ sum එකයි negative 6x එන්න ඕනේ. So negative sum given there. So you feel that here both the terms shall be negative. Why? If the positive answer gives by the positive multiplication or negative multiplication. If the middle term positive, then you have to choose positive pair. Because here the sum shall be positive, but here the sum negative means to negative pair should be there. Why? Both shall be negative because the product now positive, sum is negative, right? So you choose negative pair, both negative, understand, right? So now you know, like 8 build up 4 into 2, 4x into 2x, then 8 given, and addition negative 6x given. So you feel now both pair shall be negative. So negative then add one negative 6 and on it. Multiplication positive 8 when on it. So negative 4x, negative 2x. Now check the condition, right? The multiplication is positive 8x squared, right? When the sum is negative 6x. Okay. Now what I do, I replace the negative 6x by these two terms. මෙන්න මෙතනයි පුතා මේක තමයි important one. මේක අපිට set උන් නැත්නම් වැඩි අවුල් යනවා. මේක හරියට set වෙන්න ඕනේ. හරි. මේ couple එක pair එක හරියට set වෙන්න නැත්නම් වැඩිම අවුල්. ඒ නිසා මේ pair එක හරියටම set කරගන්න ඕනේ. Okay, now we can replace this by these two. How? X squared minus 4x minus 2x, right, plus 8. Now 2 by 2, take the common, right? Now I choose these two and these two. Here common, x common, taken out, then x minus 4. And here with the negative sign start, take negative. And what is the CF here? 2 and 8, 2 taken out. So හරියට වැඩි වුණා නම් මෙතන ඉන්නේ එකම මෙතන set වෙනවා පුතා. X minus 4 there. So now check here x negative 2x. To have a positive 8 here, negative sign there. So negative 4 should be there. Also check this to be built up here if your pair is okay. Now x minus 4 common out of these. X minus 4 common. And here, what is the remaining x and what is the remaining here? When x minus 2, take 4 taken, x minus 2. Understood? Hands up those who understood it. Here the speciality, negative pair, right? Why? Here the sign negative. Okay, better.
Excuse me.
Right, next picture. So I will move to there. Second one, x squared minus 11x plus 18. Right, now check me these steps, tell me the steps. Right, plus 18 multiply with x squared, then aside plus 18 is x squared. Now check the middle term, that is negative 11. So negative sum to be done, then means both shall be negative because the product positive, sum negative. So you know 11 given by 9 into 2, 9 plus 2, 11. But here both shall be negative. එකපාරක් check කරන්න පුතා. sum එක බලන්න negative 11x, product එක බලන්න positive 18x squared. So now you replace this x squared, negative 11x replaced by these two. Negative 9x, negative 2x plus 18. Now take 2 by 2 the common factors. Here x taken out, then x minus 9. Here minus 2 taken out, right? Minus 2 ඉවතර ගන්න. Then x minus 9. Now x minus 9 as a factor common taken out. Then here remain in x and here remain in negative 2. Right. This is the answer.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when the middle number is minus, like minus 11x, can't we take one number as positive and one number as negative?
When what happens? Here product shall be positive. If you take one positive and one negative, what happens? Positive negative multiplication gives positive? No, it gives negative. That is why both requirement to be satisfied. Product positive, sum negative. දෙකම satisfy වෙන්න නම් එකතුව negative වෙන්න ඕන product එක positive වෙන්න ඕන. එහෙනම් sign මාරු වෙන්න බෑ. මාරු වුණොත් මෙයාගේ උත්තරේ negative වෙනවනේ. But here positive to be there.
Okay, so if it is negative, now we are doing like that.
Yeah, if here negative, we are doing like that.
Okay.
Next part, next option after this category. Okay, complete these two. Prashna Putta, this is your class. මේක ඔයාලා දන්නවද? grade 11 ළමයින්ටත් අමාරු කොටසක් මේ factorizing මේක negative sign ආපුවාම බහුතරයක් දෙනා මම දැකලා තියෙනවා මේක මාරු කර ගන්නවා පටල ගන්නවා. Right. So I teach it clearly under 3 category. Right. If you can catch up the clear category, then you can apply the concept there. Once you finish writing, you can raise your hand. Right. So this is the seminar regarding the factorizing, the most important part. Right. In O-level paper also, we have a question of factorizing. So if you are okay with this one, then you can answer any question. Complete this two. මේක පුතා අර logic එකෙන්ම හිතර ගන්න ඕනේ, right? Concept, understand the concept. The product to be positive and the sum to be negative. Then the preference is negative, negative only, no other option. If it is positive, positive, this build are positive, but when you add up, that also positive, but here negative addition, answer should be negative. Right. Okay. Now I will move to the next questions. Right. See this question, third one. X squared minus 9x plus 20, first one. Then fourth one, x squared minus 10x plus 24, right? See there, I will also help you to do it. So here I might take product here, plus 20 with the sign, plus 20 into x squared, plus 20 x squared. Now check the plus 20 with product, right? As well as when you add up this pair, the middle term minus 9x with the sign negative 9x to be there. So the sum to be negative and product to be positive. Then what is the choose pair is both having negative side. Right now, the sum to be given 9, product to be given 20. So out of that pairs, you know that how the 20 build up. So last day we discussed individually 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5. Then these being exchanged. So you know the condition satisfying the middle term 9 to be given when you add up the two terms and then 4 plus 5, that is a 9 here 12, here 21. So now you prefer negative 4x, negative 5x. Okay, now check these conditions before you write. What is that? Take this product, negative 4, negative 5, positive 20, done. Then negative 4, negative 5, add. Then negative 9, done. Here middle term. Now you replace 9x by these two terms, minus 4x minus 5x plus 20. Now 2 by 2 take the common x minus 4. Here take a negative 5 and take out x minus 4. Now x minus 4 is there, common, right? Then here x is there, minus here 5. So x minus 4 into x minus 5. Okay. So the next one, plus 24 into x squared, you take the plus 24 x squared and take the answer plus 24 there, and the middle term sum is negative 10x. So you have to multiply by negative two values because the middle term sign is negative. Then the sum shall be 10 product 24. Then අපි හිතන්න ඕනේ right 24 product එක දෙන pair මොනවද? 1 into 24, 2 into 12, then 3 into 8, right? 4 into 6 likewise. Then you can see the sum of certain pair shall equal 10. Though that gives you 4 into 6. 4 plus 6, 10. 4 into 6, 24. So you replace here negative 4x, negative 6x. That is important. Now, instead of this one, you substitute negative 4x, negative 6x, positive 24. Now 2 by 2 take out the common x into x minus 4, minus 6 taken x minus 4. Right now x minus 4 taken out, make x minus 4 එක විතර ගන්න මෙතන ඉතුරු වෙනවා x minus 6. Right. Hands up those who understood both concepts. Any doubt? You can ask, huh? Right. On prashna kanduta. Okay, now complete it, then I will give few sums you to do. Right. Right. Finish writing. Can raise your hand. Right. Okay, Putta, I think you have completed it. Right. So these are the questions for you to do. So I will do another one. See the last question as the examples. Fifth one. See there. X squared minus 13x plus 42. See there. So follow this step as I mentioned. So plus 42 multiplied with x squared. Okay. Then plus 42 into x squared means plus 42 x squared. Okay, that is done. Plus 42 into x squared plus 42 x squared. Now you check the sign of x term. X term sign is negative. Negative 13. Okay. Negative 13 is there. So that means when you multiply it, positive 42, when you add up these two, negative 13. So having positive product is two options, either positive, positive or negative, negative. But positive, positive cannot, when we add up that, that gives the positive answer. Now we choose this one, negative, negative. And now check where the sum gives you 13 as having product 42. So 7 into 6, 42, as well as 7 plus 6, write 13. So you write here negative 7x and negative 6x. So I now write x squared, negative 7x, write negative 6x, positive 42. Now 2 by 2 take the common factors now. So here I take x, then x minus 7, here take minus 6, right now x minus 6. X minus 7, huh? 6 into 7, 42. Now x minus 7 common for both, right? Take out, then here x remaining, and here minus 6 remaining. So the answer is x minus 7 into x minus 6. Right. Okay, now you have five questions to do. I will check your answers. Right. Write it down and write this exercise. Right. So here all having the last term constant term positive and here the x terms negative, right, in that category. Okay. Complete this five. I did 5 examples for you and now you have to follow 5. So always take the product and see the sum to be the middle term. Then Balan, take it down, write it down. If you have done, right, you can raise your hand and I will explain. Right, Buddha. So we will discuss the answer. Right. So first question, x squared minus 14x plus 48. Now check plus 48 with x squared, then that gives you plus 48 x squared. Okay. Then the product to be plus 48 and the sum to be negative 14x. Right. Then what is the suited pair? Now we check uh, 8 into 6. 8 into 6, 48. 8 plus 6, right? 14. So you prefer now negative 8x, negative 6x. You can now write negative 8x, negative 6x plus 48. Right? 2 by 2, take the common, x taken out, x minus 8. Negative 6 taken out, x minus 8. Now x minus 8 common. And here x minus 6 there. Right. Hands up those so good. Got the answer. X minus 8, x minus 6. Prima, yeah? Right, very good. So next one. X squared minus 17x plus 30. See there. Right, plus 30 multiply with x squared, then plus 30x squared. Then have the product plus 30, the sum negative 17x. Right. So the product 30 and sum 17 and here negative. So you prefer, yes, we can tell it x minus 6 into x minus 8. So these two terms may be exchanged. Make a mehemat tarputa x minus 6 into x minus 8. Right. These both are okay. Why? In mathematics, we have a rule we call 2 into 3 equal 3 into 2. Medina marula product equal. Right. That is a law in maths. Okay. Now here 30 gives you and the sum 17. So I prefer 15x 2x, then both negative. See the sum negative 17x product positive 30x square. Now I can tell it negative 15x, negative 2x plus 30. 2 by 2 take common, x into x minus 15 minus 2 into x minus 15. Now x minus 15 taken here, and taken out. Now here x is there. Make a galavan. X minus with 2. Okay, hands up those who got this. X squared minus 17x plus 13. Okay, that is done. Now this one, x squared minus 12x plus 11. So you can multiply these two together, plus 11, write x squared, product, and the sum shall be given negative 12x. So both shall be negative because the product positive, sum negative. Right, now 11, only one pair of there to build up 11, only 11 into 1. Then 11 into 1 put there. What happened? 11 plus 1, 12. Both are negative. So I can write down minus 11x minus 1x plus 11. Now take x common out. X minus 11. Here take minus 1 out. X minus 11. Right? Minus minus plus. Remove balance. Now here x minus 11 common taken out and here x minus 1. Okay. Right. That is done. Now I am moving this one. X squared minus 16x plus 48. Right now you can multiply plus 48 x squared and take the product. Okay. Plus 48 x squared and the sum to be negative 16x. So I prefer now 12x, 4x, sum 16 but negative. So both negative. Product gives positive, sum gives negative. So I now replace this one by 2lx and minus 4x and here plus 48 there. So I take 2 by 2 common factors. So here x common, x minus 12. Here minus 4 taken out, then x minus 12. So x minus 12 common here, taken out. Then here x there and here minus 4 there. So x minus 12 into x minus 4. Okay. So the last one, x squared minus 4x plus 49. So x squared minus 14x plus 49. Now check plus 49x squared. Right. And to build up that as well, with the sum, it gives negative 14x. So we know that 49 is built up by 7 into 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So that is the matching pair. So you write minus 7x minus 7x. Now you replace x squared minus 7x plus 49. Then 2 by 2 take out x minus 7. Here minus 7 taken, then x minus 7. Now you can see here x minus 7 common and here x remaining and minus 7. So x minus 7 into x minus 7. Right. Hands up those who got all the answers correct. Right. Great. Well done. Okay. Now we are moving to the last category, that is the most difficult category. Okay, first category, now you understood all the three terms signs becomes positive. The second category, here the last term positive but here the sign negative. Here terms is still positive but the middle term becomes negative. Right, now the third category, Now I am moving to the third category of factorizing of trinomial. So මේ category තුනින්ම එකක් තමයි එන්නේ. Right. ඒ නිසා මේක හරියටම තේරුම් ගන්න. Right. So this category we have x squared. See there. Negative x, negative 6. So in this category, so the last term would be negative. Last term is negative. Constant term negative, and here maybe middle term may be negative or positive. Here we have two options. Some terms may contain negative and some may be positive. But the specialty, the last term is negative. That is compulsory. මේ ෆෝමැට් එකේ last term එක හැම වෙලේම negative, middle term එක negative positive දෙකම mix වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒතර මෙයා negative වෙන එකයි අඳුර ගන්න ඕනේ. ඒකෙදි මේකයි හිතන්න ඕනේ දේ. I will tell you. Right. Okay. So the question x squared minus x minus 6. So this is how to take the answer. First multiply negative 6 into x squared. මෙයාගේ sin එකත් එක්ක multiply කරන්න. Negative 6 into x squared, negative 6x squared. And now the issue put as with the product. When you multiply certain pair, the answer multiplication is negative. Multiplication negative means one shall be positive and other shall be negative. Then only we can say the negative answer. So that is the important part here. One shall be positive and one shall be negative. Previously both either positive both or either negative to have the positive answer. But here one shall be positive and one shall be negative. Then you choose what happened when you adding these two terms, the positive and negative, adding means it gives the subtraction. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙහෙමනේ පුතා මෙතන අපි හිතමුකෝ +5 plus මොනවා හරි මේක ගැන අමතක කරලා +5 -1 now කියන එතකොට add කරද්දි මොකද වෙන්නේ? add වෙනවද? negative positive? No, they are subtracting. 5 වලින් 1 subtract වෙලා +4 ඉන්නේ. එහෙනම් මෙතනදී ඔළුවට දාගන්න ඕනි පුතා මෙතන plus signs plus minus එනකොට sum එක නෙමෙයි හිතන්න ඕනේ difference එක. වෙනස difference එක තමයි middle term එක වෙන්න ඕනේ. Previously here become positive, then the sum to be the middle term, but when it is negative, we know the logic behind that. Positive negative product means when you add up that positive negative, the terms being subtracted. එහෙනම් වෙනස difference එක කවුද වෙන්න ඕනේ middle term එක. මෙතන minus x means minus 1x there. Remember that minus 1x. So now we check product to be 6 and the difference. Yeah, I mentioned this, not the sum, the difference is happening. So the difference between the pair is 1. And a difference එක 1 වෙන pair එක හිතන්න. How the 6 හැදෙන difference එක 1 වෙන pair එක 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. 3 subtract 2, 1. Alright, 3, 2 found. Now a question where you give positive, where you give negative out of these 3 and 2. It depends upon this sign. See there. Here negative 1x to be the answer. Negative උත්තරයක් එන්න නම් ඒ difference එකේ වැඩි කෙනාට negative දෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒතර වැඩි කෙනා කවුද? 3 and 2 ගේ 3. එහෙනම් එයාට negative දෙන්න ඕනේ. ඇයි? මෙයාගේ answer එක negative නිසා. නම් 3 and 2 couple ගෙන් 3x 3 මෙතෙන්ට දෙනවා, negative ට 3 දෙනවා, positive ට 2x දෙනවා. මේක ටිකක් difficult උන්දර අඳුර ගන්න. හරි. දැන් බලන්නකෝ මේ condition එක satisfied බලන්න. +2 into -3 -6 given. හරි. Plus 2x minus 3x. When you add up, what is the answer? Here 3x subtract 2x. 1x, the bigger 3x, its sign is negative. Negative 1x given. Now we found the pair. මෙතනයි game එක තියෙන්නේ. හරි? මේ game එක හරිදුනොත් එළවෙනවා ගන්න. සාද්දර බලන්න. So x squared plus 2x, right, minus 3x. You replace minus 6. Now pair by pair as previously. factorize x plus 2. Here minus 3 taken. Now minus 3 taken. Minus because minus sign itu minus magano. Minus 3 taken x plus 2. Then nikam balan remove karla. Minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into plus 2 minus 6. Now what is the common? X plus 2 common for both. You taken out x plus 2, right? Then here what? X remaining and here minus 3. So x plus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, right. By part examples තුනක් හතරක් හදනවා. Right. ඔන්න ඊළඟ example. හොඳට අහගෙන ඉන්න මේක තමයි අමාරුම part එක. So x squared right plus 7x minus 18. Right. බලන්න දැන් minus 18 into x squared, you take minus 18x squared, right? Negative 18x squared, right? Now, product negative means one is positive, one is negative. That's our understanding. Okay. One is positive, the other one is negative. Then difference, when positive, negative daily means difference shall be the plus 7. 7 විතර පස්සේ sign එක දාමු. Difference 7 එක වෙන product එක 18 වෙන couple එක ගන්න. වෙනස 7ක් වන product එක 18 වෙන්නේ කාගෙද? 18 9 into 2 18 9 subtract 2 subtract කරලා බලන්න දැන් 9 subtract 2 7. Yes. So now it is like 9x into 2x. So now you prefer where positive 7x there. So bigger value positive. මෙතන sign එක අනුව ලොකු කෙනා. pair එකකින් ලොකු කෙනාට මෙතන sign එක positive උනා ලොකු කෙනා positive. මෙතන negative උනා ලොකු කෙනා negative. Then 9x, the bigger one, that shall be positive. The other one 2x negative. Now the pair is fine. Now you substitute for 7x this pair. Plus 9x minus 2x minus 18. 2 by 2 take common. So x taken out, x plus 9. And here minus 2 taken out, then x plus 9. Now you can see x plus 9 common for both. Right? X plus 9 taken out. Then here remaining x and here remaining minus 2. Right. Okay. Write down these two. Then I will do another two. Only when last number negative, one is plus and one is minus. Yes. Last number negative means, right, one is positive and one is negative. But remember, in some cases, here x squared sign would be also negative. In that case, here it is negative, but when you multiply negative, that both multiplication will be positive. That types are not in 10, but we learn in future. Once you finish, then raise your hand. So I didn't get you, Buddha, the factors. Can the factors of the number change? I didn't get you, Buddha. I cannot clear that. මේ දෙන්න change වෙලා තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ first negative 2x then positive 9x. That position no issue, but right sign to be given for 9, the positive must given to the 9 here, the bigger value. Okay, finish writing? I think so. Okay, good. Right, another example I will ask from my students, right? You can make a chat to the box, huh? Right, I will ask what is the suitable pair. How the answers then ready when. Right, I'm asking the suitable pair for these questions. First one, x squared plus x minus 20. Right? Then I take the second example, x squared minus 4x minus 32. And one, x squared minus 2x minus 24. බලන්න pair එක කියන්න suitable pair එක මේකේ pair එක හදන්න කලින් මට help කරන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා? For first question, what would be the perfect pair? උත්තර බලන්න try කරමු අපි. Right. We got a few answers. Positive 10x, negative 9x. එතකොට පුතා multiply කරොත් 90 නේ හැදෙන්නේ. 10x 9x. 5x negative 4x. 4x 5x. But with the sign I need, with the sign. Some are okay, most are okay, very good. Some are having a bit issue yet. Suddenly 6x, 4x, no. Then product එක check කරන්න. Product එක කීයද හැදෙන්න ඕනේ? ගුණ කරලා බලන්න, product කරලා බලන්න. Negative 20 එන්න ඕනේ. Addition එක බලන්න +1 එන්න ඕනේ. Product pair එක හිව්වට පස්සේ check කරලා බලන්න. Right, this is how you deal. Yes, that is okay. Yes. Okay. Right, now see, negative 20 into x squared, negative 20x squared. Okay, that is done. And then product. Negative means one is positive, one is negative. Then this හැදෙන product වලින් එකක් positive එකක් negative. ඒතර add කරපුවාම වෙන්න ඕනේ +1x. කියන්නේ වෙනස එකක් වන pair එක කවුද? වෙනස එකක් වන pair එක 5 and 4. 5x 4x. එහෙනම් අපි දානවා 5x 4x. Right, now determine the sign. Here positive sign there. So the bigger value of 5x and 4x. 5x, we keep positive here and the negative there. So that is the suitable pair. So chance shall be positive 5x, negative 4x. Okay, we know, ne? Samar වෙන වෙන උත්තර තිබුණා. positive 5x, negative 4x. Now replace 1x by positive 5x, negative 4x, negative 20. Now take out here x, right? X taken out, then x plus 5, and here minus 4 taken out, then x plus 5. Now x plus 5 common, and here x is there, minus 4. Right. බලන්න මේ දෙන්නක් කරන්න හැමෝම තනියම. Right. දැන් මම ගොඩක් ගණන් හැදුවානේ. Right. Build up the pair and do the factorizing. I will ask equations, answers from you. Ready වෙන්න බලන්න. Start doing. බය නැතුව හදන්න maths. Right. මේ method එකටම යන්න. So the method I specified, you can follow the same method. We got answers, some of you, from some of you. Very good. Right. Try everyone. Right. Some have completed. Then put the Samarugi 18 to 432. Ah, yes, first one, right? Right. Okay. Shidya Puta. Right. So I saw your answers. Most all of are okay. Negative 32 into x squared. Right. Then you have the negative 32 x squared. Right. Then product shall be negative 32. Sum shall be negative 4x. Right. Then you know negative mean positive negative multiplication. Then the difference shall be 4. So difference 4 එක වෙන පෙයා එක කවුද 8 into 4. So 8x 4x. Okay. Then here the bigger value shall be negative. Why the answer sum is negative? So here bigger value 8, that is negative. This is positive. That's the pair. Now we replace minus 4x by negative 8x plus positive 4x minus 32. Right now 2 by 2 take out common x into x minus 8. Right here plus 4 taken out, then x minus 8. Now you can see x minus 8 common taken out, then here x and here plus 4 there. So the answer is x minus 8 into x plus 4. Right. Hands up those who got this answer. Right. Nimaita, well done. Great. Right. Then third one, x squared minus 2x minus 24. Right. Now multiply these two. How? Minus 24 into x squared minus 24x squared. Product minus 24. Right. Then the difference is 2. How to say 6x into 4x. That is product 24, difference 2x. And here negative 2x. Then the bigger one negative, the smaller one positive. That should column in a negative positive multiplication, negative position addition, then negative. The balance is 2x. Right. Now you replace by negative 6x, positive 4x, negative 24. Okay. Right. Uh, so that is fine. Okay. Now 2 by 2 take common x into x minus 6 plus 4 into x minus 6. Now x minus 6 common taken out, then x plus 4. Right. Hands up those who got the answer. Right. Nima Puti. Well done. අනිම ආස කරන්න හැම මැත්ස් එකකටම ලස්සන concept එකක් තියෙනවා. හරි. ඒ concept එක උදේට අල්ලගන්න. දැන් මම මේක ඉගන්නපු විදිය බලන්න කැටගරි 3කට කඩලා ඉගෙනුවේ. ඒතර ආයෙත් ලස්සනට ගාන exam එකේදී දැක්කහම ඒක තේරෙන්න ඕනි. ගානට ප්‍රවිෂ්ඨ වෙන විදිය හරියටම තේරෙන්න ඕනි. right නිකන් ඔහි කලින් ගානක් බලාගෙන හදන්න යන්න එපා. right අපි ඉගෙන ගන්නකොට හරියටම concept ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනි. concepts තමයි maths වල පදනම. ඒ concept හරියටම දාගත්තොත් අපිට ගාන මාරු කරාට වරදින්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි අපි concept නැතුව නිකන් ඔහි ගණන් ටිකක් හදලා practice කරලා ගියාට බෑ. ඒ හැදෙන ක්‍රමය වෙනස දැන් මම කියලා දුන්නේ negative product එකක් එනකොට වෙනස තමයි බලන්නේ. ඒකයි concept එක. එතකොට අපි කොහොමද ඒකේදී sign එක decide කරේ middle term එකේ sign එක අනුව වැඩි කෙනාට මේ middle term එකේ sign එක දෙනවා. අනිත් කෙනාට අනිත් sign එක. අන්න concept. ඒතකොට මේ concept එක හොඳට දාගන්න. ඒතකොට grade 9 කියන්නේ O level base එකට touch කරන grade එකක්. හරි. දැන් මේවා factorizing O level paper එකේ තියෙනවා. 9 වලදී තමයි අපි start කරන්නේ. හරි. එතකොට දැන් මේකේ සමහර ගොඩක් lesson grade 10 11 වලට relate වෙනවා. O level වලට relate වෙනවා. අපි මේකේ locus කතා කරනවා. locus හතරක් තියෙනවා. ඒක කෙලින්ම 10 11 වලත් නෑ. කෙලින්ම relate වෙනවා O level paper එකට. ඒ නිසා grade 9 කියන්නේ හරිම වැදගත් grade එකක්. ඒකෙදි හරියටම ඒ ටික අල්ල ගන්න. හරිද? concept එක හරියටම ඉගෙන ගන්න. එතකොට හැම විටම maths වලට ආස කරන්න. ඒතර අපි ආස කරොත් දෙයකට අපි ආස කරොත් ඒක හරියටම අපිට කරගන්න පුළුවන්. අපි ආසාවෙන් මේක කරන්නේ. ඉගෙන ගැනීමත් තමන්ගේ එන්ජොයි එකක් කරගන්න විනෝදාංශයක්. ගණන් හදන එකත් විනෝදාංශයක් කරගන්න. මම දැක්ක මේකේ අපි සමහර ළමයි ඉන්නවා මං එදාම දාපුවාම තව පැයකින් දෙකකින් මට ආන්සර්ස් එවුණා. ඒ හරි ආසාවෙන් ඉක්මනින් ඒව හදන්න ආසයි. එහෙම පුරුදු වෙන්න. එතකොට අපිට විෂයක් පිළිටන්නේ. ඒකට ආස කරොත් ආදරය කරොත් තමයි අපිට පිළිටන්නේ. ඒ හැමෝම ඉගෙනීමට ආස කරන්න ආදරය කරන්න. ඒක අපි හුදෙක් මොනවා හරි ජීවනෝපායක් හදාගන්නම නෙමෙයි ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ. right? ඒක හරි 아무තු thrill එකක් තියෙනවා. right? අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න කාලෙත් එහෙමයි. දැන් ගානක උත්තරයක් ගත්තාම ලොකු thrill එකක් තියෙනවා ඇඟට. මේක මගේ හරි ගියා right set වුණා මට වැඩේ කියලා පොඩි fit එකක් ඇඟට දැනෙනවා. හරි? ඒක හැමෝම ඇති කර ගන්න. එතකොට තමන් මේ විෂයට ආසයි. ආසාව ඉන්නේ නැහැ ගණන් හදන්නේ නැති තාක්කල්. ගණන් හැදුවේ නැත්නම් අපිට thrill එකේ ඉන්නේ අපි උත්තරත් වර්ධිනවා. එතකොට thrill එක දෙපිටින් යනවා. එපාම වෙනවා සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක. නිසා මේක හදන්න තමයි ආස වෙන්නේ. නිසා හැමෝම හොඳට අදිෂ්ඨාන කරගන්න ගණන් හදන්න concept එක හොඳට දාගෙන වෙන questions බලන්න පොත්වල questions බලන්න ඒව ගන්න මෙහෙම කරන්න. දැන් අපි ඉස්සරහට මගේ plan එකක් තියෙනවා tutorial system එකකටත් යන්න. තාම tutorials හදගෙන යනවා. එතකොට එහෙම වුණාම අපිට grade 9 second term third term වගේ වෙද්දී tutorial set එක deliver කරලා ඒක හරහත් අපිට යන්න පුළුවන් ලස්සනට මේක විධිමත්ව. දැන් අපි පටන් ගන්න අලුත් නිසා අපි දැනට මෙහෙම කරගෙන යනවා. හරි. ඒතර අපි කොහොමත් මේ පාරේ ළමයි ලිව්ව සෑහෙන ප්‍රමාණයක් විභාගයට දැන් දිනනවා මේ දවස්වල තාමත් සික තිබ්බේ නෑ. මේ ඉතින් හරියටම අපි සෙමිනාර් සීරීස් එකක් කරා අවසන් දවස් 15ක් විතර මුළු සිලබස් එකම ආයෙ රිවයිස් කරා team wise. ඔයාලටත් ඒ වගේ සෙමිනාර් ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් සෙමිනාර් සීරීස් ඉස්සරහට grade 10 11 වලදී තියෙනවා. ලස්සන මැත්ස් එක ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන්. අපි හරියට සෙට් වෙලා හරි ආසාවෙන් ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ. වෙන වෙන බයිලා ගහලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ පුතා සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක දෙන්නේ නැත්තම්. ඊටදී අපි අංක 1 වෙන්න ඕනේ. නිසා හැම විටම මේ සබ්ජෙක්ට් එකට ප්‍රයොරිටි තියෙනවා. සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක හරියට ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ මේ කාලේ. නැත්නම් අපිට වෙන්නේ අපරාධි නීම වෙනුවෙන් වැය කරපු කාලය අපි වෙන දේවල් වලට නාස්ති කරලා. නිසා මම මේ පැය ගණන පැය දෙක තුප්පලෙම ප්‍රයෝජන ගන්නවා ඔයාලකින් මේ වැඩ කෙරෙන්න ඕන නිසා මාත් සෑහෙන වැඩක් කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒකට අපි දෙගොල්ලම කම්බයින් වුණාම හොඳ රිසල්ට් එකකට යන්න පුළුවන්. මගේ ඉන්පුට් එක උඩරිම දෙනවා මාත් ඔයාලත් ඔයාලගේ ඉන්පුට් එක උඩරිම දෙන්න ඕන. උඩට හිතන්න ඕන. වරද්දන්න එපා. concept එකක් කියලා දුන්නාට පස්සේ. ඒක උඩරිම විදියට මම කියලා දෙනවා. ඒක හරියටම අල්ලගන්න. හරි. right. හැම වෙලෙම හිතන්න පුරුදු වෙන්න. හිතන්න නැතුව ගණන් හදන්න එපා. thinking තමයි maths වල number 1. writing නෙමෙයි. ගණනක්දී වුණත් ලියන්න හදිස්සි වෙන්න එපා. පොත් පෙරෙව්වට වැඩක් නැහැ. පොත් පෙරෙව්වට අපි maths pass වෙන්නේ. හිතටයි දාගන්න ඕනේ concept එක. මනසටයි දාගන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට අපිට ඕන ගානක් පුළුවන් පොත ඉලිව්වේ නැතත් අපිට maths පුළුවන්. හරි. හැම විටම ඒ concepts අල්ලගන්න. right. Enam I will give 5 questions you to do now regarding this negative signs and then I will give a mixed questions. Right. So now write this x squared minus 5x minus 36. Right. Next one x squared minus 40. And third one x squared minus 12 x minus 45. එකක් විතර අමාරු 4 questions හතරක් දෙනවා x squared plus 5x minus 24. Right. Only 4 questions, 5 questions are 40 marks දෙනවා. 40 වලින් කීයද කියලා අපි බලමු. Right. Competition now. Start doing. Take the answer quickly. Hands up those who completed the question. All four questions. Okay. Time is sufficient. Okay, fine. Well done. Right. So this is negative 36x squared, then negative 36x squared, and the sum shall be, right, negative 5x, and product the negative 36. So one is positive, one is negative, then the difference shall be 5. Look at the different 5 in a pair 9 4. So 9x 4x, and then here negative there, so you put negative here, positive there. Now I write x squared minus 9x plus 4x, right, minus 36. Then x out of bracket, x minus 9 plus 4 into x minus 9. Metering how the common? X minus 9 common, x plus 4 common. Right. Balagan. So that is done. Next we have negative 40 into x squared, right? Then negative 40x squared, right? Then see the positive negative multiplication, then the difference shall be positive 6. Then 10x and 4x, that is the difference gives you 6. Then positive there, so positive this one, this is negative. Now you can write x squared plus 10x minus 4x minus 40. Then take out x into x plus 10 minus 4 into x plus 10. So x plus 10 common taken out. Then here x remaining and here minus 4. Right. Next one, minus 45 into x squared. Then product minus 45, the difference 12. So we have 15 into 3 or 3 into 15. So 15, 3 difference 12. 15 by 3 difference take a 12, product take a 45. So you write 15x, 3x, right? And here sign is negative. So the larger one negative, the smaller one positive. So when you add up these two, then negative 12x given. So I can write now x squared negative 15x plus 3x minus 45. Now take 2 by 2 common factors, x common, x minus 15 plus 3 common, x minus 15. Now you can see x minus 15 common, right? Then here x plus 3 common, right? Right. The last one, here negative 24x squared, right? Then negative product and some positive. What is the pair? So we can write now the difference 5, product 24. So 8x and here negative 3x. So now I can write x squared positive to 8x minus 3x minus 24. Now I write x into x plus 8, here negative 3 into x plus 8. So now it is x plus 8 into x minus 3. Right. Hands up those who got all the answers correctly. Right. Right. So that is done, Puta. So now the last part of the lesson, right? I will give a homework to do at home. Now the last part, right? You can write the topic. Uh, write down the topic. Factors of difference of two squares. Factors of difference of two squares. Factors of difference of two squares. Right. මේකත් හොඳට අල්ලගෙන ඉන්න. Right බලගන්න. So now we discuss two things for factorizing. First thing, you have to take the common factors all the time. Check with common factors. Then you have to check whether it is a trinomial quadratic expressions. Trinomial quadratic expressions that we discussed previously. Then you have to check if it is not, then check whether it is a difference of squares. Difference of squares. So these are the three methods that we are dealing in factorizing, right? So all the time check first one, common factors for any equation, right? Then think with these two, right? So now we are in the last difference of two squares. Difference කියන්නේ වෙනස, right? Two squares වල squares දෙකක වෙනස આવොත් factorize කරන විදිහ තමයි අපි අද කියලා දෙන්නේ, right? So generally I will tell you, right? Imagine you have x squared minus y squared. See what happened? Difference is there. Squares, two squares. Hari වචන difference of which square? Two squares. So this is how you factorized. Disregard the square. Make no sarkarin square. Now take without x square. Here x and here minus y. එකක් ලියනවා x minus y කියලා. Squares නැතුව in x minus y. The other one x and plus y. X minus y1. The other one x plus y. එකක් අඩු කරලා ලියනවා අනික add කරලා ලියන. එකතු කරලා ලියන. Right. See the format. So I have a squared minus b squared. So difference of two squares. So you write one is as a minus b, the other one a plus b. Okay. Now here x squared minus 1, but here 1 is not shown as someone's square. So what we do, we write it as a square of someone's. So we know that 1 is the 1 squared. So 1 is the 1 squared. So x squared minus 1 squared. So now you can write as now difference of two squares given. මේ format එකට හදාගන්න ඕන පුතා. Right now, like x minus 1, one thing, square අතෑරලා මේ දෙක ගන්න. X minus 1, the other one x plus 1. Okay, so we have x squared minus 9. But here difference there, 1 square there. But here 9 is not the square format. So you have to write 9 is as of someone's square. What is that? 3 square. So write x squared minus 9 as 3 squared. Difference of two squares. Now you can write as factors. One is x minus 3, the other one x plus 3. Then x squared minus 49. Check. Now tell me. So x squared minus 49 is 7 squared. Then x minus 7 into x plus 7. Next example, 4x squared minus 9. Here square is 4x squared, but right, 4 is not having a square and 9 is not having a square. So you have to write all these as squares. So 4 you can write as 2 squared, 4 is 2 squared. X has x squared given, minus 9 is written as 3 squared. Now difference of two squares, all squares having. So disregard the square. Now you can write here 2 squared x squared means 2x completing square. So you write 2x, right? And here minus 3. Other one is opposition 2x plus 3. One is 2x minus 3, the other one 2x plus 3. Okay, right. Then 9x squared minus 16y squared. කොහොමද ලියන්නේ පුතා? 9 ලියනවා 3 squared x squared, 16 ලියනවා 4 squared y squared. All are having squares and difference. So how to write now? Square සමතක කරන්න. Then take 3x minus 4y. The other one 3x plus 4y. On the format එක. හරියට මේ වගේ අපිට දුන්නොත් format එක ඔළුවේ දාගන්න concept එක. Flower square minus 3 square කියන බලන්න factors දෙක. කොහොමද දෙන්නේ? Square difference එකක්. එහෙනම් එකක් subtract flower minus 3, the other one into flower plus 3. මේකයි concept එක. On factorize. Right. Clear again. Write down. Yes, we have to follow the method. Once you finish, raise your hand. Right. Right now, I will give you the difference of squares, few questions you to do. Right, take these answers. First one, x squared minus 100. The second one, for question, 16 minus a squared. Third one, 100x squared minus 1. Fourth one, 49 minus 81 p squared. Right. Then I ask you to take the value of this one. 97 squared minus 3 squared using this difference of squares. Here we have to have two squares, right? And difference should be there. We have to make in that format. Five questions there. Try to do it quickly. Hands up those who completed. So I can take this one as x minus x squared minus 10 squared. Then I can write it x minus 10 into x plus 10. Here 16 being written as 4 squared minus a squared. So I can write as 4 minus a into 4 plus a. Right. So this is the factors. So 100, I can write 10 squared x squared minus 1 squared. Then I can write it as 10x minus 1 into 10x plus 1. Right. Format take 49, 7 squared minus here 9 squared p squared. Now difference of 2 squared like 7 minus 9p into 7 plus 9p. Here, how to take the value, right? Right format of difference squares. 97 minus 3 into 97 plus 3. Now you can see 97 minus 3 means 94 into 97 plus 3 means 100. So 94 into 100, right? 9,000 make 100 will multiply karan into 100 mean 9,400. That's how you simplify such a big expressions with use of this factorizing knowledge. Okay, Putri. අපි totally lesson එක ඉවර කරා ඔන්න homework එක මම දැන් ගණන් set එකක් දානවා ගණන් set එක ලියා ගන්න combination එකක් තියෙන්නේ. ඒතර exam එකේදී කියනවාද මේ category factorize කරන්න කියලා? නෑ. Commonly they ask factorize only, right? We have to check whether it's a common factor, trinomial quadratic expressions. In trinomial we discuss 3 types and whether it's a different of squares. Okay, all are here in this one exercise. Yes, these all contains, right, in factorizing. Okay, now I will give mixed questions, right, from these. Write down, factorize the following. Yes. The last one, I got the same answer in another way. Okay, no problem. Right. Now see the question. Write down quickly. Factorize the following. The topic factorize. First one. All are their combination. Third one. Yeah. Find the value here. First, if we have common factors, take common factors. Right. So 15 questions are there. Right. All mixing questions of all the covering all the lesson that we discussed today. So we completed the lesson today, factorizing. So next day, we will discuss the axioms, right? That is a geometry lesson. So next day we have that lesson, axioms, right? So I will further third one x squared minus x to lx. So I will further take screenshot and we'll send to the group also, right? So further I have sent it to the group. Okay, Puta. Right. So I think today lesson is covered, right, with a lot of exercises, examples. So do these all the exercise and send me the answers. Right. If any doubts or any questions, we will discuss by next class. So next class, our lesson is axioms, right? So that is a geometry lessons, very important lesson. So everyone be there right on time. So we will start the class by next Tuesday, the same time at 6 p.m. Okay, Butla. Thank you very much. We will meet by next Tuesday. Have a nice day.